So, ladies and gentlemen, said on Facebook that I was gonna come to Instagram Live. I almost changed my mind because I was about to oh never mind. What was that for? All right. So I was gonna go to I was gonna change my mind. I was gonna go take a nap, you know. But I changed my mind and here I am. Okay. Changed my mind and here I am filming the Labor Day rain. Uh-huh. Filming the Labor Day rain. Okay. I don't remember when the first or last time it ever rained on Labor Day, you know? Yeah, so when the last time it rained on Labor Day in your town? Hmm, y'all tell me, you know? Yep. Watch the bit of the Price is Right special honoring Bob Barker tribute, you know? But then saw the rest of it. I missed the beginning again, you know? I hope somebody uploaded to YouTube one of these days. I can't go on Paramount Plus because it costs some money. You know, I don't feel like paying extra. You know, I really don't feel like it. You know, it's a rainy Labor Day. You know, how many of y'all like rainy days? Listen to that song by Mary J. Blige, "Rainy Days." All right, or listen to that Forbidden song, "Let It Rain." I think they didn't come out with that album because they probably got sued by this band also with the same name, Forbidden. You know, should have came up with their own name instead of just stealing it from others. You know, so I see why they didn't release the album. The album, you know, only song they released was "Let It Rain." Uh huh. This is that song by Carl Thomas, "Summer Rain." Yep. Well, at least they played their song on the radio. You know. Uh huh. Yep. Okay, so that's it for now. All right. See y'all later.